Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of English Everyday Podcast. I'm your host, Anna.
And I'm Tom. Today, we're going to talk about a very warm and lovely topic, family members.
Yes, family is one of the most important parts of our lives. We talk about our parents, our brothers and sisters, our grandparents, and even our cousins almost every day.
That's true. And when learning English, it's important to know how to describe your family members and talk about your family life. So let's start with some basic family vocabulary.
Let's begin with the immediate family. These are the people who live with you or are very close to you.
Right, so we have father, mother, brother, sister, and children.
Exactly. For example, my father is a teacher. My mother is very kind. I have one brother and one sister.
And if you're married, your husband or wife becomes part of your immediate family too.
Yes. For example, my husband is an engineer. My wife loves cooking.
And when they have children, those are sons and daughters.
Right. So you can say, I have one son and two daughters. Or, my daughter is 6 years old.
Now let's talk about the extended family. These are your relatives who don't live in the same house, but are still family.
Like your grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and nieces and nephews.
Let's break it down. Your grandparents are your mother's or father's parents. Your aunt is your mother's or father's sister. Your uncle is your mother's or father's brother. Your cousin is your aunt's or uncle's child.
And if your brother or sister has children, they are your niece for a girl and nephew for a boy.
That's right. So, for example, my uncle is a doctor, or I have two cousins who live in Canada.
Now, let's practice describing families in English. Tom, can you tell us a little bit about your family?
Sure, my family is quite big. I live with my wife and two children. My son is 8 years old, and my daughter is 5. My parents live in another city, but we visit them every weekend.
That sounds lovely. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one older brother and one younger sister. My brother works as a pilot, and my sister is still in university.
Wow! A pilot in the family. That's so cool.
Yeah, it is. What about you, Anna? Tell us about your family.
Sure. My family is small. I live with my parents. I don't have any brothers or sisters, so I'm an only child.
Oh, so you're the only one. Do you like being an only child?
Yes and no. I like it because I get all the attention from my parents, but sometimes it feels a bit lonely.
I understand that. Having siblings can be fun, but sometimes they can be annoying too.
That's true.
Let's move on to family traditions. Every family has their own habits, routines, and celebrations.
Yes. For example, in my family, we always have dinner together every Sunday. It's our family day. We cook, talk, and share stories.
That sounds wonderful. In my family, we have a big reunion every year. All the cousins, uncles, and aunts come together. We usually barbecue, play games, and take a big family photo.
Oh, I love that idea. Do you know how many people are in your extended family?
Probably around 30. It's a big group.
Wow, that's a big family. In some cultures, having large families is very common.
Yes, in many Asian and Latin American cultures, families are close and often live together or nearby.
Let's share some useful English phrases for talking about family. 1. I come from a big, small family.
2. I'm close to my mother, father, or siblings.
3. We get together on weekends.
4. My family means everything to me.
5. I look like my father, but I act like my mother.
6. My grandparents raised me.
7. My brother takes care of me.
Good examples. And here are a few questions you can ask when talking to others about their families. 1. Do you have any brothers or sisters? 2. How many people are in your family? 3. Are you close with your family? 4. Do you live with your parents? 5. What does your father or mother do?
Perfect. These are everyday questions that help keep a conversation going.
Anna, what's one thing you love most about your family?
I love how supportive they are. Whenever I have a problem, they listen and help me.
Ah, that's beautiful. For me, I love spending time with my kids. They make me laugh every day.
Aw, that's so sweet. Family gives us love, strength, and comfort.
Absolutely. No matter where we go or what we do, family is always our home.
Well said, Tom. Let's do a short role play for our listeners to practice.
Sure. Let's pretend we just met and we're talking about our families.
Hi, Tom. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. What about you?
Wow, that's a lot. I only have 1 younger brother.
Are you close with him?
Yes, very close. We do everything together. How about you and your siblings?
We're close too, but we argue sometimes. You know how brothers can be.
I can imagine. So, today we talked about family member vocabulary, how to describe your family, family traditions, useful phrases, and questions.
That's right. We hope this episode helps you talk about your family confidently in English.
Remember to practice these words and phrases with your friends or classmates.
Thanks for listening to English Everyday Podcast.
See you next time.